everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sharon, artist from BC, Canada. Today we're going to do a studio tour of my workspace. As you can see, it's pretty messy and there are art pieces and paint and scraps of paper everywhere. Not very flattering. But what I'm going to do for this studio tour is I'm going to clean things up and then show you how things look like. And we'll start from there. Hope you enjoy the rest of this video. There you go, magic! I've cleaned up my studio. To be honest, it's nothing super fancy. It's actually situated right inside my living room itself. This is my table where I do all of my artwork. I put it right beside the window. And here there is a sofa that my kids or family members can sit and chill and watch me do artwork if there is ever the time to do so. And there's a fireplace over there. We're going to go around my table and have a look at what's around my table. First thing I'm going to show you is my light ring and phone stand, which I use to do most, if not all, of my recording for all my art time lapse for my artwork. There's also my lamp that is turned on by touch with multiple modes and brightness. Great thing about it is it also has a charger in the middle here, so I can put my phone on and it wirelessly charges it. Pretty cool, huh? Just picked this up actually at Costco. Just looking for something to try. It's not super bright, but it will do. So there's my collection of oil pencils, mechanical pencils, ink pens, and so forth. Over here next you'll find my collection of gouache that I just put in a box. My fake plant to hopefully help with my productivity and make things look a little more presentable at my table. And then my water glass and so forth. Pretty simple, and you can see there's my sketch pad / watercolor paper, and that's my basic setup after I cleaned off all of my scrap papers. Pretty simple, I would say. I love the greenery in the hedge from our yard that I can see, and there's a plant in the back, and this is the space where I do all of my YouTube video taping. One of my favorite features of my art studio is my table. I have a remote that helps it go up and down, which I can mount on the table, but I like how I can maneuver it by not mounting it on the table and just resting it on top. But it has helped me so much, and I'm really glad I invested in this table, which I got from IKEA. And here is a chair that I have had since I was in high school, and I really love this chair, and I got an IKEA mat for it, so it's more comfy that way. You can see I have a lot of attachment to personal items, such as my chair. I love the sunlight that comes from outside into the studio, a lot of natural light. It's nice that my family is open to me using our living room space that way. And there you can see our furry throw. In the winter time, they can cozy up on the sofa and watch me do art, or I can do sketches there. And that's pretty much it. I really like the angle and the lighting I get from my studio. And here's an overhead of everything. Well, I hope you enjoyed this brief studio tour. If you enjoyed this video, please consider like, subscribe, and sharing with other artists. It really helps with the channel. Thanks a lot, everyone, and thanks for watching this video on my studio. Take care!